possible that this girl is into me?
I'm Reze, by the way. And you?
I'm Denji.
I've never met anyone as interesting as you. It's pretty great.
You won't be leaving with me.
You put yourself through all that for me?
Isn't it obvious, Denji? It's because I like you.
Save me, Miss Makima. Give me strength. Otherwise, I'm gonna fall for this girl.
That smell! I know it! She's the bomb devil!
Every single time I meet a girl, she ends up trying to murder me!
I'm going to take your heart now.
Whatever happens, we can't let her have Denji!
Chainsaw, you have to choose.
Everybody's after my chainsaw heart! What about my heart? Denji's heart! Does nobody want that?
Denji, I wonder why I didn't kill you the first time we met. You know, to be honest,